Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing the phone, unlock it, and make sure it's responsive. Once done, open settings immediately and keep it on screen. If you use Face ID or a passcode, be ready to authenticate. This speeds navigation. You want to access network options next, so avoid opening other apps. This saves time and prevents interruptions. Now tap into the Wi-Fi or cellular area depending on where you want data saving. We'll switch modes there in the next step. You're in the right settings panel. Now pick Wi-Fi if you're on a network, otherwise choose cellular. For Wi-Fi, tap the network's info icon and switch low data mode on. This limits background updates and automatic downloads. For cellular, open cellular data options and toggle low data mode. This reduces app data usage and stops background refresh. Make sure apps you rely on aren't restricted. If necessary, adjust app settings individually. Once set, observe immediate network behavior changes, like slower background syncs. You've enabled data saving. Now confirm it's active by checking the network pane. Low data mode should read on. If apps continue consuming data, restart the iPhone to force the system to apply limits. Make sure background app refresh is off for specific apps in settings. This prevents hidden data use. If a stubborn app ignores limits, update or reinstall it. Corrupted app components sometimes bypass system flags. Finally, monitor your data usage for a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.